Thanks for checking out the episode of Vinyl Village Garage, where we actually got me and the crew this time. We're doing the Go Like Hell 10,000. It's a fundraiser for Peyton Manning's Children's Hospital, and of course, a lot of fun checking out some cars. So follow along. Right? Where are we at? It's the Go Like Hell 10,000 here in Indianapolis for Peyton Manning's Children's Hospital. We're actually going to do a little road rallying with the old Transmaroado with the crew, so we're going to get some footage of the road rally and some things happening on. So join us, follow along, have some laughs, and maybe check out some cool cars. See anything you just really can't live without, or something you want? Anything you see that you like? You see a Plymouth Superbird coming in and a Trans Am coming in behind it. See the blue car with the wing? Yeah. Everybody needs one of those. You're gonna do the that's it. And we're off. Like, what are they doing? What are they doing? They're all crazy.
Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
It says no aggressive driving, it only says that high-spirited driving is acceptable. Notice how it's so much quieter all of a sudden? I wonder what's changed.
I don't know.
This is a big hill. There's a police officer right there.
Maybe.
I didn't see one. Did you see one? Our group all lined up here out the finish line, got the cars all lined up and pretty up. We're gonna walk around, check out some rides. Hey Jay, saw quite a few cars that caught my eye when driving. I'm gonna take some time now and get a little closer look, and I'm gonna drag you along with me and see what we can discover and see what's here. Wow, they just keep on rolling in. There's got to be at least 400 or 500 plus cars. Not sure the exact count, but I'll see if I can find out. Maybe post that up there later. But I'm going to keep hunting for that 1966 GT40. That one really caught my eye. Just kind of walk along here. Quite a few coupes, convertibles, sedans, just about anything you can imagine. Not too many vintage cars, but all over the realm of exotic to what you see in normally daily drivers possibly. But I'll tell you what, all super sharp cars. These guys love their vehicles probably as much as I do, but I'm gonna keep searching. There's that one I've just got to find before we sneak out of here this evening. Let me have it. Let her rip. Now this is more like the main event area. This might be where that ever elusive GT40 might have snuck off to, so I'm gonna keep on searching. What you see here is the actual real 1966, not no kit car GT40. I really like a little more insight on this vehicle, so I'm gonna see if I can't find the owner and get some words in and see what we can learn about this car, and I'll let you guys know. Thanks for joining us for the Go Like Hell 10,000, riding along with us and having a little fun, checking out some cool cars. But it's going to wrap us up for this time around, and we'll see you next time.